So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot into your Wix website. So first thing you need to do is to first go and log into your Wix account. And then after that, you need to go to your dashboard. After that, you just have to go to the top right corner. We have here called Design Site. Just click on Design Site. After that, it would be redirected to here. You just go ahead. You can generate a design with AI or customize a template. So for here, I'll generate a design. So I'll just wait for it to load. Then we'd be heading to Wix website editor. Okay, so we're waiting for it to generate the website. Okay, now that we have the design, you just go ahead and click here. You just continue with this design. Now let's go continue to the editor. You have to. So now that it is loaded, you just go ahead and see here there are many things or sections that you could actually choose from. So in order to add an AI chatbot, all you need to do is to go click Add Apps. After Add Apps, we search for Chatbot. Chatbot. All right, so we wait. So we have here a lot of chatbots that we could choose from. Chatbot, Easy Chat, Chatbot AI. So let's pick here Wix AI Site Chat. So now all you need to do is to just go ahead and add it to your site. After that, you just have to wait. And it would actually add the chatbot in your site. So for example here, you've added here the Get in Touch section, which would be the AI chatbot. So test AI chatbot. So there you go. After that, we have your chatbot, which asks you, well, how was your experience generating a site with AI? Then there you go. And that's it. That's how you would be able to go ahead and add an AI chatbot into your Wix website.